Compared to the food habit of other tribes of India, the food habit of indigenous tribal are quite simple yet socially and culturally related. During the early period of time, animal hunting was the major source of food, and that is evident by their fondness for non-vegetarian food. Being in contrast with the food habit of people from central part of India, the indigenous people prefer to have food which are mostly boiled with water and consume small amount of oil. They are fond of local spices like sesame powder, cilantro and other locally available herbs. Indigenous tribal people mostly prevail in the hilly and mountainous place, which is an important reason for acquiring such kind of food habit. Indigenous people like Khasi, Diva, Bodo, Karbi mostly practice jhum or sifting cultivation. And during those periods of cultivation, in order to protect and look after the crop from predator, they build themselves a small hut and stay there until the crop is harvested. Throughout this period of time, they grow themselves variety of vegetables, herbs, spices, seasonal fruit, etc. for their crop. There are several ways of preparing food among the indigenous tribe. One among them is cooking food with a bamboo pole, replacing metal-made utensils, which is the most popular one among the indigenous tribal. They cut down the bamboo pole into a specific line and make hole on one edges. They put all the ingredient on the bamboo pole and cover it with the help of lids, mostly of turmeric lids, which give fragrance to the food. There are different names for this technique of cooking among the tribal. One such is called kingung from the Karbi dialect. The indigenous people are not much affected during the COVID-19 pandemic in terms of health and daily necessity like food and vegetables. And the main reason is because they get their necessary nutrition from the locally available vegetables and herbs, which is also sufficient for their survival during the COVID-19 pandemic.